Hello, this is Tere Hardin with AMS Protractor software. This video is going to illustrate how quickly you can return a part from a work order by removing the part from that work order. I'll go into Protractor and I've got a work order open with some concerns. I can immediately see, because of the coloration, which parts have been and have not been received into my inventory. This brake hose has been received, but I'm going to decide not to sell this to the customer by deleting this package line from the work order. In most cases, you're going to move to return items. If this was a delivery part paid by cash or check at the counter and you know it's wrong, you could remove the item from the supplier invoice, since that invoice is never going to hit your accounts payable. But for all e-commerce or charge accounts, you would want to register the purchase and register the offsetting credit. So I'm going to return this two items. By saving this work order, I can now go to my home ribbon and move to my purchases screen. On this screen, you have purchase orders for all pending orders. You have supplier invoices for all purchase orders that have been satisfied, and we now have the parts in-house. We just need to process the supplier invoice into accounts payable. And you have returned items to keep track of which parts need to be returned. I'm going to do a quick reset search to find all parts. I'm going to sort by reverse date, and I can see there's my part that I just removed from my work order, automatically put into items to be returned. In this particular case, I'm going to just return this one item by creating a credit slip. I'll use my own numbering convention to create a credit slip if one is not supplied by the parts supplier, and say OK. Once the credit slip has been created, it moves into the returned item credit slips, where I'm simply waiting for my parts supplier to actually issue the credit needed for this particular part. At any time, I can open these parts supplier invoices and see what part is awaiting credit slip. And once I've received that, I would post. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, please call the AMS office at 919-363-6234.